a cost-effective biometric attendance system using ESP8266 NodeMCU. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of a cost-effective biometric attendance system using ESP8266 NodeMCU from Umesh Kashyap, Yash Agarwal, Krish Bansal and Dhruv Rai. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand about the basic overview of a cost-effective biometric attendance system using ESP8266 NodeMCU. So, let's get it started.
KONARK'S research. Subscribe now.
Good morning everyone, my name is Dhruv Rai and I am from CSC3. Today we are going to present our microprocessor based project on biometric attendance system.
Hello everyone, I am Umesh. I am part of the software team. I have worked on the front-end design for the website and writing the code for this project. Along with me, we have member Krish Bansal, who has worked on designing the back-end connection for the project, and he has also assisted in writing the main Arduino code for this project.
Part of the hardware team, my name is Dhruv Rai.
My name is Yash Agarwal.
We both worked on assembling the overall circuit and debugging the hardware connections.
Both have done the research about the suitable components that would lower the overall price of the project and make the process efficient.
I have connected the circuit to my laptop and the CL monitor is saying the Wi-Fi connections are done and the fingerprint sensor is found. So as you can see, the OLED I2C OLED display is showing fingerprint sensor found. To demonstrate the working of our project, I am going to type I in the CL monitor and my friend Dhruv is going to place his finger. So I am type R. It is now prompting me to enter the name. I am entering the name as Dhruv Rai. Now it is prompting me to enter the roll number and I am entering the roll number as 2023 UCS 1700. So now Dhruv will place his finger on the sensor and the fingerprint has been successfully enrolled. The data is being sent to the database and I have got HTTP response code 201, which means everything is successful. The data has been sent over to the MongoDB database over the HTTP connection. As you can clearly see, the OLED sensor is displaying fingerprint successfully enrolled. So here is our website which we have made. This website has been aesthetically designed using modern technologies like Bootstrap, and by clicking the students button I would be able to see all the list of registered students. So recently we had registered my friend Dhruv Rai, and as you can see the record Dhruv Rai with the roll number 2023 UCS 1700 is visible. The function has been successfully demonstrated. We are now going to demonstrate the login function. So I am going to type L in the CL monitor, and my friend who is going to register his attendance for today is going to place the fingerprint. So now it has successfully recognized the ID of my friend Dhruv, and the data has been sent to the database, and I have got successful HTTP response code of 200. Correspondingly, the OLED display is displaying mark present. So the attendance for today for my friend Dhruv has been marked. So it had been successfully sent, and now we are going to check whether the data has been logged in the website or not. So I'm opening our website. I'm going to click view attendance for today's attendance, and here you can see the record Dhruv Rai has been logged with the correct timestamp of 1:26:49 seconds, and the attendance logs are visible by that date 22nd May.
Now you guys might be thinking what distinguishes our solution from the existing market alternative is its exceptional affordability and simplicity. Our system offers an estimated 60 to 70% cost reduction compared with the current commercial option without compromising on performance and user experience.
Now I am going to explain the hardware for the project. This is our ESP8266 NodeMCU, 0.96-inch OLED display and R307 fingerprint sensor. R307 fingerprint sensor can store 127 entries at a time. The NodeMCU is a Wi-Fi module which sends the data to the laptop over Wi-Fi.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research. Subscribe now.